guys, we're back for another episode. I'm so happy you guys have loved all of the last episodes I've done. It was kind of a learning lesson for me and how I wanted to do this kind of show with you guys. So today's very windy, but I'm gonna try and attempt to do some chicken wings on the grill. The wind is against me right now. It's been messing up my hair, but it's okay. So we're gonna get started. So since it's very windy out here, I wanted to cut up the chicken in front of you guys, show you how I do it in a brine, but everything is just against me today. I did it while I was inside my house. We are ready to start some chicken wings. We're gonna do them with 3 different sauces. We're gonna do a chimichurri, a honey hot, and a garlic parm. They're my favorite. Well, besides the chimichurri is more for steaks, but I figured out a little recipe that we're gonna try on the chicken wings. I think it's gonna be really good. And then garlic parm is usually my go-to, and honey hot. So I'm very excited to do this with you guys today. Okay, so I'm really excited for this, guys. I have my chicken wings here. I'll put in the description the exact ingredient list, but pretty much in here I have salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and then to make our wings super crunchy and delicious, we're gonna use cornstarch. So actually, let's give it a little mix. And we're just going to sprinkle that all on our wings. And then you just want to throw some gloves on and get in there. I want to do the 3 flavors, so I'm using 2 bowls here. And I just drizzled some olive oil in here, so you really want to massage this because we are going to set this aside and put this in the fridge to marinate together for honestly as long as you can. Even if you can do this overnight, that would be awesome, but I'm probably just going to do an hour or 2. I'm going to put these in the fridge, and then we are going to start making our 3 sauces. It's going to be really delicious. So I'll be right back. First thing we're going to do is get the chimichurri sauce going. I'm really excited to make this one because it's not something you really see on chicken wings. So for the seasonings, you're just gonna need salt and pepper, oregano, and red pepper flakes. And we're just gonna get started by chopping off about half a cup of parsley. So we're just gonna start chopping this. And then we're just gonna give it a nice rough chop. And if you're a messy chopper like me, that's okay. It's just how we cook. It's how we're cooking with our love. And you want it to be a really, 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 really fine chop. And we want that freshness. And you can use dried parsley if that's all you have, but I definitely recommend getting fresh parsley. It just gives like such a beautiful color. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in our bowl. And then we're gonna do about a cup of oil. So we're just gonna do about a cup. Then here I have some red wine vinegar. Just gonna do about a tablespoon. And then the seasonings that I had mentioned, we're just gonna put that in there. And then mince up some garlic. I would say to do about 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. And really mince up your garlic. You want it really, really ah! Oh my god! Just attacked. I actually have one of those tools that helps you chop up the garlic and like the onions like super fine, but I'm doing the most for you guys, so gotta show off a little of my skill. But normally to cut it up a little faster, I would probably just use that. Okay, so now we have it really, really teeny. Okay, so we're gonna take that, put that right in there. Get all that garlic. And then we're gonna do half of a lemon. Just give that a nice cut. Use your muscle. Sometimes I have muscles, sometimes I don't. There we go. And squeeze that in. Cute. The color's pretty. Move that to the side, and then we're gonna do half of a jalapeno. Okay, let me just go ahead, take these seeds out. Unless I want to be crazy. Ah, that's a little. Okay, it's gonna be a spicy-ish sauce. And obviously you could have put the whole jalapeno if you wanted to. We already have red pepper flakes in here, so I feel like that's gonna be enough. And let's just make everything equal, so we're just gonna chop this up. Guys, the smells are working today. It smells really good. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, the wind is making me wanna myself, I'm telling you. It's too much. Okay, so we're gonna put all that in there. Just use your tablespoon to mix. You don't have to run out and get another spoon. Okay, this smells so good. It's so pretty. The color's amazing. So next, we are gonna make our honey hot sauce. Wings are ready. They look amazing, but obviously the best part of a wing is just the wing itself. So before I even sauce them up, I just have to take a little taste. I hope my mic caught that crispiness. Got a jerk. I'm just gonna put that back in there because these are all my wings. So first we're gonna do the chimichurri sauce and just give it a little quick mix before you put it in. We'll just do a little bit at a time. Ooh, that might have been a good amount. And you want to just give that a really good mix, get all those flavors in. And let's put that to the side. Next, we're gonna do our garlic parmesan. So we have this amazing sauce. It smells so good. And again, give it a quick little mix before you put it all over your wings. Ooh, this sauce is pretty. I'm definitely somebody who eats with my eyes, so this is just gorgeous. Like, it's so pretty. Put a little bit more of that sauce in here. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese right on top. Oh my god. My mouth is watering for this because these are actually my favorite kind of wings to get. Let me put a little bit more. Just a little, just a little bit more. Give that a quick toss. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And last but not least is our hot honey. Are you guys more of like, you guys like your wings like sauced up, like very sauced up, or just like a little bit amount of sauce? Let me know in the comments because I like a medium amount. Like, I don't like it too saucy, but it needs to have sauce in there. It can't be dry, you know? You know? And we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit with some parsley. And we're ready to try our wings, guys. Okay, guys, we are at the best part. We are ready to try all these wings. I'm so excited because it's so beautiful. Like, I don't even want to ruin this. It's so gorgeous. It's like a masterpiece, but okay. I'll probably try the hot honey first. Are you guys flats or drums? Because I'm a flats girl. Warm. Guys, this is so good. It's like sweet. Has a little kick to it. Oh my god. That's amazing. Okay, next we're gonna try the chimichurri. If the wind will let me. Mmm. Guys, this is good. I know chimichurri is more for like steaks, like a marinade, but oh my god. I think I just put you guys onto something. Okay, last but not least is my favorite. I did save the best, in my opinion, for last. What's your guys' favorite chicken wing? I feel like I always get garlic parm. Like, that's just my go-to. Oh my god. Guys, this is so good. That cheese on top just hit. Oh my god, it's so good. Two at the same time. Mm. Okay, that didn't work. I am about to tear up these wings. I'm very excited. I hope you guys love this recipe. I hope you guys try it, at least one. I feel like my favorite actually was the honey hot, and you guys saw it was very simple, just 3 ingredients. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't yet. Please let me know what's your favorite type of wing. I would love to know. And comment below on other recipes you guys want me to try. A lot of you have said wings in the past few episodes, so that's why I wanted to do this today. But hope you guys love it as much as I did. Bye! Hey guys, we are back. I'm suffering. So now the wing wants to have. Oh, here we go. Hey guys, we are back. Oh my god. Oh. Hello. And guys, I love chicken wings, but they're kind of disgusting looking raw. Stop, 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 stop. Guys, this looks so beautiful. It smells good. Stop, please. Stop. No! Can't start with bugs already. No! Please, wind, don't do this to me when there's raw chicken. Please. Stop! 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 I'm just sticking up outside. Chimichurri.